So this year, we celebrated the 5th annual Posters on the Bay. Due to COVID-19, we had to host the event in a virtual format. So rather than having students present their posters in a face-to-face format, we held the event virtually on Zoom during the evening so that members of the Maryland General Assembly could come into each Zoom session virtually. One of the benefits was that we were able to record all of the presentations, and we'll be sharing them with the Maryland General Assembly as well as the SU community. So anyone who wasn't able to attend the event can watch all of the presentations in full.
My name is Chase. This evening I'll be presenting the terrorist aftermath and the effects of radicalization in Morocco.
So my research is putting a check in all the boxes, the case for the National Voter Registration app.
For my presentation, I'll be talking about racial disparity among teachers.
My presentation is on the integration of environmental solutions into international sister cities.